Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this carrot and zucchini lasagna. I don't know how to explain this lasagna, but all I need to say is that you need to give this lasagna a try because I know you definitely love it, like 100% sure. So now let's get to the ingredients. So this is the zucchini I'm going to be using. You can use any type of zucchini, okay? This is the one I had, so I decided to use this color. There is so many colors of this color and the other green type, so I'm cutting them in a cube ways like this. So go ahead to slice your own and cut them in a tiny cube shape. I think that is what it's called. I'm done cutting the zucchini, this is the rest of the ingredient. This is Parmesan cheese, tomato sauce, that is mixture of carrot, celery and onion. Then I have my mozzarella and basil leaf, and this is the zucchini. And I'm also going to be using what they call white sauce, Besciamella. And the lasagna is going to be fresh lasagna, so if you can find fresh lasagna in your superstore or supermarket, is great, okay? So over the heat, you can add the oil before adding the mixture of carrots, celery and onion, but I just added them. I love using the two methods, like both methods are good the same, okay? So I'm going to allow the onion, carrot and celery to saute for about 3 minutes over a medium heat. So after 3 minutes, I'm going to add the zucchini. I'm going to season them with salt and black pepper. Then stir them and allow them to cook for 5 minutes with continuous stirring. Make sure you don't abandon your zucchini over the heat. You need to stir them for that 5 to 6 minutes, okay? So after 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to add the tomato sauce. Like I use about 750 ml of tomato sauce. You can use less or you can use more, okay? Depends on how you love your sauce. So after adding this sauce, I'm going to mix everything together. I'm also going to be testing if the salt I added is okay. And here I'm just adding few basil leaf, fresh basil leaf into the sauce. If you don't have fresh one, you can use dry basil leaf, okay? So gently stir them all together and test if the salt is enough. Mine is okay, so I'm going to put the lid on and allow this to cook for 20 minutes over low heat. So this is after 20 minutes, guys. Time to prepare our lasagna. So I'm going to let you watch how I prepare the lasagna. It's just a normal way of preparing lasagna. By, as you can see, I added the sauce first on the pan. Then I'm going to start laying the lasagna sheet. I'm using fresh lasagna like I said earlier. If you can find fresh lasagna, go ahead and use the fresh one, okay? So after adding this lasagna on the casserole, I'm going to add the zucchini sauce on top of the lasagna. But you notice that I added the sauce first before adding the lasagna, okay? So make sure you follow the steps here. Now I'm adding the mozzarella cheese. After the mozzarella cheese, I'm going to be adding another sauce that is called Besciamella, which is white sauce. I have the recipe on my channel already, okay? I will be linking it at description. So if you want to learn how to make your own Besciamella sauce, which is white sauce, check it out, okay? So after adding the Besciamella on top of it, I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese as well. So I love to be generous with my cheese whenever I'm making lasagna, any type of lasagna. I also have spinach lasagna here, on my food channel. Just check Italian food recipe playlist. You will get to see all the Italian food recipe I have. Okay, so I'm laying down another lasagna sheet, adding the sauce, and I'm going to continue doing that until I add all the lasagna pasta sheet into the casserole. So guys, I'm done adding all the lasagna into the casserole. I'm adding the last mozzarella on top of it. Then I'm going to add the remaining cheese, which is Parmesan that I'm using, and also the white sauce, which is Besciamella sauce. So after adding them, I'm going to allow this to bake in the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. Mind you, my oven is already hot, so make sure you preheat your oven while you're laying down the lasagna, okay, while you are preparing the lasagna in the casserole, okay. So yes. So guys, this is after 40 minutes. My lasagna is cooked and yummy and juicy and saucy. I don't know how to explain this, but it's so delicious. The important thing is the taste. It was so delicious, guys. If you want to have that perfect lasagna cut, whenever you finish to bake your lasagna, allow them to be cold. Like if you bake in the morning, allow it to be cold like in the afternoon, because if you cut it immediately, just like what I'm doing here, you're going to make a disaster. But anyhow, it's just me and my family enjoying our hot lasagna. So like I said, if you want to have a perfect cut, allow it to get super cold before you cut it, okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy any of my video. I really appreciate you guys for always coming back here. Subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.